Good Sunday, March 6th. Deep Youth Alpha Traders, as always, on Sunday, bringing you some plans that help you with your trading week. AlphaTraders.com is the site. At Alpha Traders Inc. on YouTube and Twitter. Um, don't forget to hit like, follow, sub. Appreciate all the love, trying to help you all out in any way we can. So let's look at gold. It's already at 188 tonight. Gold itself is just flying. Um, as you know, there's news out that Putin pretty much bought a bunch of gold, and the Russian oligarchs bought a bunch of gold. It's a rumor. I'm not sure if it's true, but there's that much. There's a lot of money in the top 20 people in Russia, and if they're pushing the price of gold up, I could see why. So obviously, gold is a safe haven. It's a hard metal. Obviously, it's little. And one thing that I will say about gold in itself right now, it's really showing its durability in the face of disaster, right? In the face of war, in the face of harsh economic conditions, gold is again showing you why it is still in dire need of value and why it's so valuable. But when the dire need for it comes about, it does push it, and it's showing that Bitcoin is just not that yet. And Bitcoin obviously is a more speculative asset, and it's going to be hard to get your Bitcoin out when you don't have the internet. It's going to be really hard. Even if you save it on a card, you still need the internet. So whereas gold can be traded hand by hand, you can trade pieces of gold for bread. You can trade pieces of gold for oil, gas, things like that on a very micro level. So let's talk about GLD. We're already at 188. I think it's got some more in it. I think 194 comes. I think we're going to create this double top here probably tomorrow. GLD may make a great move off of this. Maybe in the next 2 days we can get to this area up here. Maybe even shoot above it and then come right back down and really start to, um, you know, it can hang out here for a couple days. Most likely, it might hang out, and then just start its slow descent back. Probably to 178 or so. This is a great area to short, in my opinion. I think you can still get long. You can. I would actually do lottos on this weeklies, just because you're so close to the top. It would, for me, it would be a better play to weekly it rather than wait than by 3, 4, 8, 9, 12 weeks out, because I don't think you're going to get the oomph that you would. Um, I think you're going to, lack of a better term, you're going to get theta burned on the backside, not the front side of this. So you want to avoid that theta. Might as well just take the weekly and maybe buy in the right at the money weekly and let that thing ride up. That's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. That's just me, what I'm thinking. This is me telling you my thoughts. Um, but I think you'll run into micro. There's always micro areas of supply above that it's going to run into. But if it opens above this 187, I don't see why 189 can't come. And honestly, I really don't see why 194 can't come. So even if it opens up at 187, I would still say that's a buy area that you can get a couple dollars in. I'm going to buy probably the 188s. I'll probably sit on that just so I can collect a little more IV as it goes up. I can collect a little more of the move rather than right at the money. Made some money on GLD a couple weeks ago. Should have bought a swing, didn't do it. I'll know better if we ever this ever happens again. I don't know that it will, but it might. But I'm looking at it's already at 188. I would say hold that 187. Hold that 180. If it's under 187, I would wait. I'm gonna wait. Once it gets back over 187, I'll buy. But if it opens up at 189, I'm not gonna buy it. I'll just say it was what it was, and I'll start to look for my short areas around 195. That's me. That's my plan. It's already ran a ton. I would expect it to run even more tomorrow, and we'll see. Inverse correlation here. ES is at 42.69. It's up about 13 points since we did the ES video about 20, 30 minutes ago, and now we're looking at this. So hopefully that helps. Like, sub, appreciate you.